In today's video, I'm going to teach you to check your Fidelity account number. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look on the website, in the mobile app, and on your monthly statements, so you can quickly find what you need without any guesswork. Keep in mind your account number is sensitive information, so view it in a private setting and avoid sharing it publicly. Let's start with the website. After you sign in on Fidelity's official site, head to the main navigation and look for the Accounts or Portfolio section. Click that, then select the specific account you want to reference, such as a brokerage or retirement account. Once you're on that account's page, your account number will appear within the account details. It's typically displayed near the account name or in a section labeled account details or similar. If you don't immediately see the full number, look for a small link or icon to reveal it, as some interfaces partially mask the number for security. Screen layouts can change from time to time, but the key is to open your account from the accounts or portfolio area and then check the details panel on that account's page. Now, on the Fidelity mobile app, it's just as straightforward. Open the app and sign in, then tap the Accounts tab on the bottom menu. Choose the account you're interested in. On that account screen, you'll find the account number within the details section for that specific account. It might appear right under the account name or within an account details view. As with the website, some versions of the app may mask part of the number until you tap to reveal it, so watch for a small eye or show icon. If the app recently updated, labels may look slightly different, but the number will still be within your selected account's details. You can also find your account number on your monthly statements. Whether you receive them by mail or view them electronically, check the first page of the statement. It's usually listed near your account title or within the summary box at the top. Because statements can contain personal and financial information, keep them stored securely and avoid leaving them visible in shared spaces. And that's it. Use the website's Accounts or Portfolio section, the mobile app's Accounts tab, or the first page of your monthly statements to see your Fidelity account number. When you're finished, close out of your session and store any documents safely. Thanks for watching, and I hope this made locating your account number quick and stress-free.